Most traders never succeed, not because they can't, because they never fix these 3 silent killers to their performance: emotional decision making, inadequate risk management, and inconsistent strategy. Successful trading demands well-informed strategy, discipline, and adaptability. At Trendsignal, we've been helping people trade from home since 2003. And with over 20 years of experience, we're proud to be one of the UK's most trusted and awarded trading education providers, recently recognised with the 2025 Best Trading Education Provider by the ADVFN Awards. Our structured approach lets you follow the exact same trades as our experts, so you can trade with clarity and confidence, no matter your experience level. We're proudly based at the Cranfield University Technology Park, a hub of innovation and excellence, helping traders across the UK and beyond achieve real, consistent results. Our success comes from combining rules-based trading strategies with powerful support tools, like one-to-one coaching, a live trading room, interactive workshops, and our advanced market scanning software. Since 2011, our trading strategies have delivered an average gross profit of around 21% per month, based on the same rules-based approach that we teach our clients every single day. So join our free trading session, where we'll share the rules behind our award-winning trading strategies and show you how we manage trades to boost consistency and maximize returns. Click the link below to register for a free live trading session or watch an on-demand session in your own time. Take a big step towards consistent success with Trendsignal.